Guys, I'm handing over this key to this beautiful property right behind me in a neighborhood with a median price of 2.36. And we got this property for 1.46. Yes, you heard that right. No, it's not a condo. It's not a townhouse. It is a beautiful single family house and it doesn't need renovations. And it is sitting on a very normal size lot where the schools in this neighborhood, elementary school rated 8, test scores are rated 10. And guess what? The high school is a rated 9 with test scores in college readiness, both perfect scores 10. How do we do this? With extreme dedication, carefulness, and aggression. This is what you need from your real estate agent if you want to get a property, a really good property in this market here in October 2024. In 2021, the median price in this neighborhood was 1.7. 3 years ago, and we got this single family house for 1.46. I love it. I love my clients and I love what I do for them. I'm Anton Bond with Base Real Estate. If you'd like me to help you find the next key to your home, reach out to me, call me or text me 408-987-8888. I'd love to help you. I'd love to meet with you.